agus fáilte hiic na Seansálaithe mas maidir seansa láú ghlaciad na Seansálaithe is me se Hugh McGill cheada agus tá mé cho Tursa ach seo éon ced Eagrán tafada ar a leid do Eagrán is sé so tá má hósasta go muid genú an buzz ras the gang is back. The bitches are back mar deirtar. Tá man seo ar dúspáir le muid cólaí le muid chuide tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine tibart leite.
Gohaid tá muid fós an seo. Fiú man daoine ardíirí tá muid fós an seo.
They tried to cancel us. Bhí si gaiir muid chuirte higgin brísún chomáid le Donald Trump. Tá si gaiir muid chur a score the curte, but you can't put a good thing down, you know? Like a bad penny we turn up a goni. You know what I mean? It can't be bad pennies to much off Asta le James of Fláilte. James, could you remember that too?
I'm going to go raw. Speaking of, can't put a good thing down. Shouldn't my compliment though. So yeah. Raw. Come on, Turshach. Mata kuma draw hummer go na history. Brona tomat siaki o Jim, not Rave. Nímas in jam the Shrakuig.
Well, hold on a second though. Hold on a second though, because the time journey of him which the car romage, Rave.
Rave.
Yeah.
Baby's first rave.
But she not with Rave is hook comment and YouTube video modes. Lame should call it Rave, not Hugh.
Yeah, it did.
Well, we should
She'm garbation and Cade Rave Gamisha Riwega Kamai.
Wow. Yeah. Can't I will miss it and Raver is most a group of shot. How am I the nightclubber? Can't I Hanig shit?
Tossa and dinner journak of in the sea, Áine here. Ain't or good man wait lad.
Yeah.
Means James and Labby's been touched for a goal.
Yeah.
Lads.
On Kjol Rave, like actually like physically Gorton show, like like
the Trum Mohin
to full loud girl, like you should basically pulse on a fucking hurry, like what not did it dead or took it back to life, I'd say.
But near fimes the boys Kerme a grave and I'll be back on my feet in no time whatsoever. Be my breast.
During the mean couple of dinners, fine she'd boss or Nerler Delsa because you know being after a Kurish.
Yeah, it can't be a deflector, just cost us at the speaker, which is friggin' toe.
Bounce all harder on that. And Tamer fod. Bhí should put 10 cards to go Garthin shot to car to Kevin go Vima a kin EP agus like we just are on and it was like whatever frequency that be like nota when a chuku ahan like car beat whatever like boom 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 and then it's like or whatever but could be like frequency than function was like the same inner frequency like much eardrums so it was just like piercing like headache ahan the leor or henshid and nota when so it was an experience.
Better go well Mujagiri Shan Kamaido. I mean
nah Sean Thomas fairly big all like raves. It'll learn the HV.
Oh, aim team lad, what he may and if we are
yes, the couple of them the Shan lads, the leftovers, and Shan rave scene, shits in the chin. Feel like lad like Laney Garb. There's a cost of Hanik Shamahas like man Scott. He like came straight from like Igmunu like Burla Gaji and Gaji Áras nGail.
Chance my gunner
yeah, craic a.
Yeah.
Sauli darotas like in the Viclane agus to do chain to mar ma agus fucking to the woundshore like on the dance floor just like Kaya Kruna like face paint like 100 like
Tá leictóirí feici agam ar hinta mui ach níach marúnis múntar manscoil ní dólam.
She'm go leictóirí níos fear because tá been the ra like this the thing of West go punch sin agus the iad like Kojaku like being shit car like the Shane like the dingy tennis like cards do a tennis more leictóirí agus more like you know shooters is really machine agus you know ní bhfuim sa Russian agus níl se rá a hiúil bhí me journalsá so so sin go níos fear.
Tá mé né cuimhnú ar rudháin ar bhí me ar manscoil bhí me híos ag an airtas ar hús ní chun an caró ar siúil ag an am bud siúmdar go me sa darbhín na bhanscoil agus bhí mu san óstan dearnach leor bhí dearngro mu a cas couple tune or something to reception agus an chéidir eile hánaí móinter stara chun mé chatach club na Fhéile an talas a dúirú dó as you do ag club na Fhéile agus bhí sé definitely like óta like as chuní sé mise as chuní sé as dúirí bh ai codearg as dúirí ai section codearg agus gcóí chun mám a gomna dú fi like bhí có náirthe eáil I was like bhí sé just ró saríad like bhí sé có-hashtag bhí sé just ar an ihe sfeir a síalsaige agus bhí me se I bíon ag arcar
chuim me sé lechtúir hí ag club na Fhéile freisin agus like cuiimar lom a lechtúir céanna bhí sé as se canú béid is dé se canú siógaí san na rangana
Cas gom Kate kain tri
so just má can bhí siógaí leis an de siógaí má club na Fhéile nach dúil
Is hanet absolútely hanet caiid bh chu
mónation bhí sé mó gur fucking Rave le hanna freisin na siógaí
sinna fá gro mí ágin níor thugmid waived an na siagaí agus sinna rud
an difruchtó a bhí idir timppó probably céad slot a sin ici a héine in gáile Rave an Áras an nGail a den chut sí a roisí dumh agus swift gedan a bhí an
I think it will overlap they're in that actually níall cos hánig Virginia cos Virginia fanir their Curgeling le chat them á in the swift again
overlap of a hán na go moch má queen is rá
Bhí me ansasa gur roundnímuid an Rave in a share swift together an camera.
Yeah. I mean I don't know grow raw ugging because I think grow swift together and shield the mark like couple of
bhí sé díaltamach actually bhí sé 100% díaltamach
ring James check bhí sé Gary gáil ach then bhí sé like oh you know an Rave seir siúil
ní Swifty ména tada ach bhí daine as an obair arálum bhí am do lán and then dus ma oh check on my website bhí sé díaltamach bhí actually delighted
bhí an Rave díaltamach mai ach bháin Gurt and virtug shit, you know what Jenny would check be as he'll mission non on your shots are beanish because they're banished or arson nGaillimh grosha deal to as not Dublin don't stand yes visha pakol to glure ak course the ethnic Hugh or Vinnegan and theirs
what's on listen there's a torch manish but once you get into the Oscars lumpsa Bishop Press has to no it was that of your scalum it was shouldn't dive on nish aratni my immediately no but then in EA like tumble I was like oh feck no because Niakamela like shocked bliana agus it was lad of a blian ni visha blian the rani saw again so I just honic ma and I was like oh my god wait hold on it's like no this is on so yeah no for me just chat you know or some the nGail or some the chang it shouldn't if I grow
oh yeah
yeah
you could all nGail Sean
Euro. Bhí sé lethegus le. But you look, Rave transcends Changish. You know the germs.
Well, ní le tan go ag a Rave. Má bhí mar sin is má fannacht le ór an cín gomach man an cas an angle. Unless go friggin ancient alien language bhí an, you know, friggin cluamsa go bhí talú. Fucking thorum agus fucking basically unspeakable a cacmach so agus na méid hiscin sin an má sa ceol sin ná sin
I can't with the dirt James they're a heel but just chat the any much armor they're a good job it's just went to shot I was just thirsty she's eat alternative is thinking shot not good I was like, how glad you're a race that shouldn't die wang look her she's or dingy mean Rave.
Bhí áhanní a mí an gáilú into alternative sílam.
Well, má se pobl eleg's, you know, feice tú jeans agus rudí a daoine, níce tú like, oh.
The mesh tops agus na
yeah, ní some go bin a dress code of like. Na bhach sama sin.
Oh yeah, bhí muine gléiste into ladrana like that tú náms fe.
Oh yeah.
Dacha agus rudí eiste a gaú.
There you.
Bhí daoine léamh mo jumper actually. Bhí daoine léamh mo jumper, so yeah.
Na mai hiad. Bhí dinge caiithú an gansaí céar na lomsa an sin. So
it's equivalent sin.
Yeah. Could be ban bhí an sin. I'll see you in the next life, wherever you are. But an ratha go Rave a ríis. An ratha tú ag Rave all, and then ag Rave all.
Rahan ag Rave in Áras na nGael ríis. Sílim just gur hahan an onid lom cumáig is ein ócad sin bíní waibin cos fecin mud daoine go láithna gunnar thuú agus just being a crack cumáig, but I suppose féidir ag Fhéile nor dagan chutá se ag Rave in the Woods ag electric picnic. Ní bhéna caiithú lá airige le se cean during mar sin.
Yeah. Tá ceán eile Áras na nGael I mí bealtaine agus I ngó méid go sin beal.
Definitely, because tá trí lá ócáid an seo go tú country.
Ní clú. Téirtá sam ná an carhí am an ngeachling de híine te sin go an Astráil seachtainí, so
one last
Rave.
One last hurrah. Well, tá deir seachna omlan the sort house music or siúlaistí in Áras na nGael. Like the Mecal.
Well, house music. It'd be like EDM, like as in like Tomorrowland or thing. Because session come on, like.
I'm seeing a clue gum. Actor and sugar. Truckier than Jerry Jackman. Like it's in June bank holiday on. By long kill, by Bia, by Pictory of Laku. Like that just your stuff cooler. She than Jerry Jackman. Like so. Shan't go around much action when you laugh.
Shouldn't
Roddy might chat more true.
Who's the nGael?
It's in Jerry Shachting River Fhéile nGaillimh Fáilte.
Yeah.
So they had just absolutely scrissed it. And
agus an sin C sessions in Jerry Shachting nation but to really green hat trick in it.
Oh my god.
Imagine on trek. It gone suas go cummas panelta in naomh muide in nGael. And sin gáil go fád le rock carring. And then gáil suas a ríis go C sessions.
It'd be a world tour basically.
Daniel dinner VH still say okay James.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Ní sam skin seach na nGael fi oma.
Stop at doing border.
It's only one door and we don't care.
Yeah. Be ma cat amach as a gael naomh muide and then air shit. The cat go seach bundor, but that's it.
Yeah.
No further north.
Stop a chuig a border. Be checkpoints hartla. Jen kinse nach cool. Seamus all go flairte. God that should be.
No, go ma seach with disguise. Be just come remember cannons ultocha tamanit, you know.
Just correct.
Stop in Magu. Kachi.
Just kite
do that.
Just kite. No, joke be hard to Gianu is be hard to just mohoj glenu kaihu agus and shin just Áras Gianu armsa. Like no, especially Hugh car. I got to follow Hugh lush.
And I need to TikTok me.
Okay,
the earring shin. Come on, we have to make this believable. Like I shall have
Kermish Agli or Nell Mescal.
The yarms shin Robin.
We miss Lord Lakin the Crown, Jacqueline Gotcha.
Okay, no, ring mission and la Kierna are having my Swiss Gallip, so should have like run with your play shit.
Can I hear my garage a Hugh now? Can I hear
I know.
Just get a cream with everything. Daring
you're not sure like me, like who you're like.
No.
We're not going to be to our vision.
It's inclusive and low. Har and Cluas. It's the Debbie Reynolds. It's Bralum Shinianu.
Care that on
and Hugh Carr for
care then kinal coordination is for Whitney Houston.
Ken.
Handai Shinach in gash like Hugh Carr, but saying shit joke. And then Vachman like, oh,
wow. Wow.
In fairness, sin joke rawa.
an le seo ar Aine chéiste. I've just copped go bé new Aine chéiste.
Oh, yeah.
Good Friday, yeah. This is
No
not a very
fuel.
good
No fuel.
Just not be generation. Yes go went.
Well, live a casca fight go seo.
No. Ní fáim siad though. Like ní cheanam siad.
Fine mo am post cean do a han blian.
Oh yeah, FM mo win to kill them. Yeah, 100%.
Sugar doing she Lena and she suits the can when you Killian. Can more fancy Lily O'Brien's sticky toffee pudding. As in sin hug she can Ella do that she shin ditch le reintless and Bert housemate Ella. So for Killian can all word though hain. I miss him muck and right.
Nice.
Ní mai am an favoritism sin net.
Hugh, ní mag version that's actually really funny.
Hermione. Tá sesta go
It's mission in the shit joke, so actually they see right through the glunny.
Tá sesta go to a massive before there was a scrap.
No, Áine chéiste, so bhíorm mahona suirtin. So cin Easter egg in Effenship.
Oh, cash my.
Can they rather can mom do, to be honest?
Not ní canon to kin the chain, real no.
No, ní don mar can marú can do hain. Ac bhíoh me goni fáil can crunchy sin am na rimani soiga. Ac an can crunchy gohfuil na gitty crunchy sin of. Cumai?
Oh.
Yes. That's the bougie crunchy. The bougie crunchy.
Yeah. That's a shin of casca Easter like Celtic tiger if ever I heard one.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely. Riven the lane to see her in Nice. You'd get
Fang just to get a bougie son can for mom doing it. So for she can lint do, but not a regular lint, a blood orange lint egg.
What? Like San Pellegrino flavored.
Yeah. Now I bet just go make her blast chocolate orange stewie.
Yeah.
Do you know, because the Terry's chocolate orange, but blood orange. With a hint of blood.
I smile him a hint of blood. Lahan with a bhí.
It is a Hugh nach never do either cost.
Ní wain thing you be iad dús really. I think Captain go leor milshan agam already. So my thing you be Gary.
I should go strongly worded but obedient. Let's it a chud mama car. In nothing all.
Roshin.
Roshin.
No, you're just a awama car.
Awama car. Awama car.
Akada.
Kech will to is Miss Moru. Was that face time I reach Kalua. But PS the Hugh Easter egg in so it's now just off Costco or so much of the hella.
Seansa.
Yeah. So then should have more strongly worded letter go mama care.
Seansa go this is the good books and shin in the go
probably from mission off Costco.
Basically, yeah.
I'm supposed to see why you can.
No, you tisn't of casca. I guess you Michigan but by arms say a wrench led the shisher the Mokoni law. Shinner the Tarla.
Yo Hugh cream egg bug.
Yeah.
Furmish on of cost Kena Hulev Lane or Father's Land Queen.
Wow.
Lignin show host King can afford that better.
Oh, probably easy. Call this fjord.
Probably
easy.
Probably my protein or the mission. Let's say probably. Should I say
60% off like code Seamus Dan.
And chocolate is the one. It's full of all the the protein bits or it was just called sugar and TVC. Oh, solution.
Low fat, low sugar, low calorie, no dairy.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I love chocolate. Get that hurry.
More protein powder in the center.
The ship still the come done it. I think cap on extra massive fear hill go massive. Like it's not fucking tiny.
Had too massive.
But in
Shaw in the Cree, yeah, in the Cree.
Shinra Donahue. I think I've been conditioned.
Yeah, I think you're taking the tame Creole. I'd say probably Arcanation, James at all.
Yeah.
Cane size of cash.
Hamisha Guller Cadbury's cream egg.
Oh Jesus Christ.
She's an OG though. What?
Sheelam said.
Oh well, yeah. Like come on, mate.
It's class.
Cream egg.
No. An cream egg Easter egg. Sinna cinna bhuithe.
No,
Sin ceanna dúirt mise.
No.
Ní hé sinna cin. Tá mis chun rá an if caisc a Wayne James. No. Galaxy.
Oh, fuck's sake. No.
No?
Galaxy.
I count the one that is the goat. And that's it.
Os cin ahanana le chinile.
Yes.
Tour doing on brand the chocolate. Is it Nestle
Ní man
Cadbury?
And that's
Focus
the
basic.
hint.
Oh,
It's just
Lindor.
No. Come
Wow.
on.
Okay, that'd be
Come
that'd be Wasloo Lint. Sin simu. Go on, Ken. Inish doing inish.
Fucking Kinder.
Ah,
What?
whoa.
Kinder Easter egg.
So, and they and chocolate Karen.
What?
Hold on.
Like literally
no,
near few
no.
real mesh over my heel.
The Kaima. Okay, well, hold on a second. Can I do bunch? Now, row. Na Evha Bugugoods. Everything you saw, yeah.
Yeah, but you
So-
know
so
something
On a big scale, like Chomorla Mahulgan, like.
So they and chocolate Karen the ach la or Easter egg all war.
So tan get the
Yes.
bond. So tan get the bond or
Yes.
there she.
Agus tan toy ní smooth.
Oh.
Right.
Come on.
Right. Okay. Then he's
Okay.
more sim and gominash.
Oh, okay. Okay.
An toy shower from actually machas now like Teddy bhí go monkey agus bhí magnets in the lava, so we should on huggers. So you I shouldn't even like 20 of them. I just like people of a law was you like
No.
then a Mikey monkey. Huh?
Mikey monkey, yeah. Oh no. Cap mission be gonna rag routine on they like non swing al harter like monkey bars, whatever, or Christmas or the ball or in road. I so in fridge. But no, it's just go through non hugga L as
Yeah, come on borrow Galway. Yeah.
Large.
Tá súram nach mé mo friggin nephew Hartley and the risk of my kinder Tom show because bitch shouldn't get toys. That fucking toys for me.
Can't miss Shaw. So Islam say.
No. Wait. Ní cheanna me. Cheanna Mama Goose agus Papa Bear, okay?
Oh,
but,
sorry.
But Humsa, don't get me wrong, Morteen. I'll fight you.
Listen,
Just like physical scrap a how there James of his niece again.
My 2-year-old nephew.
Yeah.
Tá má go donna, but ní má go donna sin.
Boom.
James is like James.
No wonky.
Oh, wonky. James is like
Wonky.
niche ridging A. I destroy him.
You call that a fight?
Come on, Kai Kinowine. Come on, hit me. Hit me.
It's just punish him as lag shamach, man. It's actually my protein never having Eggerson. So
Yeah, exactly. That's a
he's a
hench.
freaking Jack 2-year-old.
Yeah.
Shouldn't
Yeah.
make submission on the draw. Chud Martha the wad needs to be na chud.
It's the pwesti dansra. Hug
Oh yeah.
hug mo call her there vision the Bobby hug she sul garm or sul do hig mo uncle. She nutted him. Hug she like Glasgow kissed though. Agus égur gnéal hagan agus folí hug she sul do tá. So then fear gal hagan over like sul more car. Agus feel thinking like can't I worth who's like, oh, the 6-month-old. That's a dantra.
A Glasgow kiss.
Yeah, Glasgow kiss.
Yeah, and you hold my shit to you.
You're cool mission where you had it.
They're hush if we Glasgow kiss.
No, but it's bad.
No, that was a she-wolf to Chung Ali like.
No nGail. No
No,
nGail. Because to mission shin
No.
a couple of nish. Agus that's was the kilting eat the halton shin.
Lemme fair to nervimische about an 18-month-old version we had it was bathroom agus hook she mach a wooden spoon agus we say we she ma threat knowledge hook my wooden spoon hamala took my black guy.
There's a black idea.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Don't mess with me. That's supposed to bath shouldn't you my like come at me mom.
Come on.
Come to our suits here.
Just honey anyway.
Yeah I I joke about trio. Oh, Biscarotto, she did trust me like so.
But céim fá gro sí bagart an túúla leis an sponna go ag an dulba genta go.
Oh, probably like must bat, so probably having a good time like because she got a mass bat.
Jesus, James.
Not
Listen.
come on. This is a was a cause for baby James
Baby James. Ní bhí se á ní ro go dé bhí se dhéanú.
Yeah.
Come on.
Níor se go hóg sin bhúil sé mar agus asú.
It's just a baby. Come on.
Just a baby.
It's just a baby. Sin dách ratchet.
Yeah.
Sin cho grammar. Tá chosa.
Good times.
Yeah,
but in fairness now, like then onwards, like for she deal smach, like it may the form of blast wouldn't spoon in a mohoon man was fucking no joke.
It kind Willie. She don't God in Lord get to book free lawn park. Agus week J Harley.
Sorry.
Hen
dóig in much jarmer their shaw because obviously
that's right. You miss down with that.
So Ringmid Tafford. So Ringmid Tafford libel farce and then we learn sauce and then V Lyle Pádraig going. So it's actually tumble of you on play top of or Harley in our sale le tumble. But caihi muid flé James agus an fecin le ag club chunar na Gaelic. Ar dúspar, I think in le omlan, I think a guy muid chuirsí sa chur ar an le omlan, because bhí se fairly eventful more
Own tús. Yeah.
From the fucking get-go, yeah.
Well, go bonus Hugh J a Harley. Ditcha.
Tásaí muid ar le bre gáanta deisgurt má le lia.
No. Taylor an iche rive Hugh.
Wow.
A rotten
yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
You raise style lumsa, I raise iche rive la park.
No. Okay, right. Look. Adwy am mush like Jerry ma bhí mar iche má bhí mar bun ansalt as na festivities the Lyle Pádraig agus or sorry an iche river Lyle Pádraig but cheap misha and sinner margin ní lakicha raw adadu elisha Hig and Hig and that room which is con and taff of the enu so Holly misha gajin ammer cheap ma grosha so look Háinte dá le agus bhénta in sin nám dar ag mai gan nám cearna ar gan nám ceart. But yeah, bhí mar hí
Tuis chu mí an iche rih gur tú tuseach agus nach ráidir tú ná. Mel nó chuta seach ní mar gur an grúta ditá a méart just ví tú mó agus agus ach nó chuta seach an teachtrát Tá má go a seach sa kit in is síach. Bhí rá finte ó amsa. Tábringe neke leis an pobl is he like
the mission sa pobl han
so no the actually really at fásta ní a mission bhí really so da cohex generally ag sa pobl bag le féil na galí agus hí chóra ag buir an call studio war Virginia le ra like bí an sin like naha bommature riv do set ní a mis sin ní so I was like oh should just land lama ag carry on the dog like you mar an setup go anu all full was me because in sin tag me shacking car agus tá ne go bhil go seo ach bín parade siúla mála clia le linn Lyle Pádraig.
Who knew?
Crazy.
Who knew? Right.
Absolutely.
Not Hugh.
Hugh did not knew. Sinna dó ar Harley seo. So Fáim tá dul freeze na Sraith or whatever and tá genu golden tá convention like at the planned time of Hearth and Dálog like this is how I'm set to be agus an sin tagum Hig etched like parson Sraith agus ní féidirlumm trasnú nuair tan parade go siúil. And I was like, grand, nuair tá am siarún be mam to ríisiir and get sorted. Bhí meid seaasú sa spot céarna ar fá leafar cear chuig bhfumaite timpplair sin. Ag leanaí hín agus tagad a suas tí dálóg. Agus tá muid an am sa bhéir staite agus hardcut díobhse is tí ag féil na Calí. Ag chur Scar Arms being like, well, I think I'm just Curtus listen show. Jero vibe sa pobl. There would it be suddenly Nero Michigan in and
Well, vi na Calí nGaillimh go bra leis vi should like, oh sure look, you know, we should chill galore free. Ach vi nadini vi gagru and free and Fhéile umlunchen and you know Fhéile Park. Vi sheets na gi found their schedule. So vi sheets and me idoc. Agus ag puintúan bhí mé chu léchar is dúirtú gen FaceTime agus ag leat mé chu sis ag an microphone. Agus bonus at my name's James Hugh ri sa dóin ar ri tú riú I the heel hala. Agus rinne tú sin. Ní ro tú ach ví tú was jag chuig bum to jag journey sílam.
Yeah. So you're actually raw wall sa Jerry. It was just unnecessarily stressful is Jerry ach tasking inis don cadrella mat which is in a gigareach the Fhéile Pádraig Nelson go me in and palava sin ach chance go me agus nus tasking an rodella so then in the sin so creating Virginia J like half an tree Dan much heart damage like bondia Dochreacha, Mars
Dochreacha, karaoke tree band, what about
friends of the show.
€7 chuige.
Sinead Rudd. To be sin and a 5-1 if you Collins Parks now girl
agus ní fiú Guinness viacu lá porrick.
Island's Edge be?
No, vi Branda Keynes new on. I don't know like care to be on but like
near some Michael Lord that
no.
Brutal.
Sinful.
Yeah. Also, I would say.
Yeah. Dochreacha. Arc. Brush him on the fucking board.
Yeah, fucking larger than is, isn't it?
Yeah.
James, how much you carry the rash? Just come to your heart.
You chullar that aintach.
Yeah.
Sold out the bar.
Yeah. Okay.
Just could tap Guinness on as well. My delighted to be honest. She made it bigger.
Kermit J. Shasta Rider. Cadrella.
Hook to my veins.
Go make kegging James or stat. Come out and just IV drip of it with that Guinness. I think she knows this Friday, Yanu. Well, maybe ni Haitian road the precarting Yanu because Tagamuch, you know, Barty much the dull hige conru, hige wigglehog, Sishanona, like Shinam or Dagger much the college him. So she'll much like a club. Agus how much in shin a rate the Nero nGail because I think we couple thing you be like oh yeah toss much in shog is in Ramach catching a tell and Ramach near ag majingin club like or fo and actually this instant is fudge but shin Marialer factors of image can't be in got second but I think we must meet you in La Journal like right we imagine shin high like yeah or yag like yeah or jay like
but Nero Cúisir bíhain na goláte bhí eile sin an taach it's a cahar le growth of the bogu agus growth of the caigeráil agus bhín crackítan as bhí daoine casceolú staire agus just bhí buzzar dóistían
agus ví an fucking Air James on flight she's a friggin' stoide
Ik amintí crackle sa den í go
Air James Air
choúir scéil se rá hit mar sin stoile Tá mai ééis rádó ní ormsaní millián like hí like fair enough hí mu a ggóil a fel lá hín stoide floch se ru go hín stoide friggin floch we should actually fucking hilarious though. We should actually
I mean,
shout out go idealni choirin vi ag bunnastoide agus ní Ross Samsa héis a hála se go hit ma sí stoide go hits me chuig step in a row le láh leis láh céanna agus chromme sé bon staide bhí me se gáí agus sin ní tháinig bíanana seach go dtí riime mar de step eile de céim go dtí in tíomh na láh deise tí hir gan staide an den for amach holy shit tá chu fóla agus tá actually in a peanarm.
Ach sin rud a chuúna misir dús haní del sus sa saoir thugam sa dúirt si ha tá seo cógrader tá James ní déite sí sa saoire. As hí mis oké tí gaiirí caiidir se gortaíthe. Os sin chu me sí staire agus bhí se pááilte hí an sin. As bhí James just i lard slua mar seo agus just aig mór bhrón air like lá gortaí agam. And I was like, James, caiite dul bháile nó caiite le gé nope. Níl sin na tarlú agus I mean sin gromwood we're léic gurí rála James go gadó an áte ágal ach tá James in a seismat as níró sé gurí club a chunra ágal.
Yeah.
I mean haní dini se le checkáil bhí apparently his dochter ón pe America ní rosa gom sin haring den ag an eis na mále lá James a heáil hí sé nará le go dúr se hu gan éí ahan a có borthe fut. Sin go hogta gin lemsip to James mar sin an tain painkiller a bhí istí sa chló.
Yeah. Honestly, ní rom sí ceara ach pinta sé amazing mai like.
Well, so then it fell onto me. Let James.
Bhí mo sorry to be honest.
I know go James because
Cool me curt bhír siú look at an charge because there mis a Hugh right caiitin book show her toáile right agus an sin dirt Hugh gnáis mar an charge as go tosará come on rhyme with go coffers.
No, it was a race. It was like, come on, Ramage coppers, Ramage chin, Ramage could be actual Haniella. Ramage coppers, and like they're to like several times because in my life.
Yeah, maar Gemma go manandu convince on like Gemma go actually go mocht mananad like Gemma do 100%. Maar go eend in de brisje le show. It's gonna be you.
I was
because near my care ich ding nie wieder like so my gara just got an ass bob.
Yeah, no, I was steady as a rock. If you should like, nope, that you got a ratch the wall. But then Hannick, like, because it was so gross, because Hannick was a lad on old skull, like lad that walk my ages, you know, lad be, you know, bring my drama, like a couple of the other niggas, you know, ring my, you know, chain hig clee palace and the series. Hannick session, may Mudger strategy, we should like, oh, huge, remember that, whatever. And we was like, oh, shot James McCarr, Thor, may Glock in the wall. I was no, there's James, no, them go good coppers. I was feel like your man Baker, like, oh, shouldn't I deal that crutch? And I was like, no, James. Yeah, much all good coppers. I was like, well, cap on a lad shot go, which is sweet you read that my. I was like, yeah, but yeah, it's like it's go to Lao chance goes a brished. I guess do curve follow.
Oh, I was clutching at straws. Hold on. I think my cons are randomers just said to get raw. Oh, comes go coppers to just.
Ví tú có brona tí club 100 so agú. I was like, okay, caiic a gurí golf in am seo. Ví tú just see go cute.
Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. We peon there, like if we make it to 100 though. So you know priorities.
No, but so Fermit's taxi to Jerry. agus Kermisha James Stahigma Malabisa.
Agus sin céirann tú Hugh.
For my taxi Jira Rashing Connery. Look at a rasher and earn set.
Land 3 o'clock imagine.
No, I think you're landing my heart for Lehni Daw. You're raw.
Killer.
But yeah, let the hall come on, please. Yeah, and you're handing on the wall in Shinaniation, Giji, Sheila Heart fan Quig, non Shay. Agus Vima Christa, Vima absolutely Christa. Agus few, eh? Lahai.
La in Taviogan. I'm going to ahan the station just being crack mighty.
Except on you know.
Harvard
started we should actually cuss Mario Kart hitting shit at a banana peel. Actually,
banal sheeson
wasn't there shit? Oh, history that the hustle narrative it. Like it's like it's just a saying, but fucking hell. They want to get a high kick in the chin. just random titim trí stoil man because
Múní
bhí mo chois cho ard.
Ach look, James, tour an update to Gwini and Will and Lauberste.
Oh.
And
Will and Lau Briste. Oh, drum roll please.
Oh, ní no.
Yay!
So chuma ag A&E hall héis.
Yeah, because we kosher Ella on because we kosher Ella on agus ní rota gar chaú. So just there's two sure English fanart le Ella. I was like, I don't think we should line up in shop.
Yeah, bhí mo char go Astro, so ma like kama go le amach lei sin. And then bhí mo love actually kid up piano. Agus so
actually
yeah, chun mo housemate sin ícholarm is just a skiff go leisteach agus slinge chun main. So chuis slinger many is sure níor sé bris which I grad. Ní dú se around like tissue damage on their heels. So like, who needs fucking tissue?
Oh, no bother, no biggie. I can run now Curtis is group chat. Not grow to go dole gaini herbe. More or less, they're two is come kind of bish go bra. Agus Queemish solid cha Hugh. Le charger saga agus vi ra like he was kind of like a year era. He was like, "Jeez, like she don't like Kai James don't again eat like," and I was like, "I know," like, and we miss really like cash of a gum black. They're all like, "Now James, come on, cough on a bit and shaking it in."
The Bulgarian and Chakrat Amshu. There'd be like, "We'll do A&E gefallen." No, we'll do an A&E in this, James. No, them fanat just to see my inch and he's fair.
No, chun me sin bhí me se taps.
Yeah, we do it taps a quick on a tree sa Trinona.
Yeah, bhí éing gibbers.
Oh my god.
Sean and law crack out of yoga.
Yeah,
crazy.
Well, like alcohol is what?
It's a hell of a thing. Yeah, it's a hell of a thing.
Agent. Yeah.
Well, Joe, if you lying to good.
Lying to him.
Listen, like we shouldn't get in it. Lane the Padres fag the yoga so real.
Jerry, you should come on, fairness.
Jerry Mashar are in those. The any Jeremy, they're good job.
No.
Agus sin méid a Jerry ba faoi sin.
Sin
agus sin agus sílam lads go bheith sin don Eagrán cos muid cá le fecin héidir an seo. Do you know Sean Rudd ní fáimmuid seans leis an stuff seo lé chain an am a rí ar a chiúlasan. Ach ahanning gur míle maiid a bheith géis le na seansaí ar dúsbar go maiid ahanning a déis leis an Eagrán beo as Belfarste and chatting to my heart because the tossing Sraith or exam machine has been going shim nesum fusha and they're glockamaging is sauce that I cookish of tomorrow going like the oglarm because good Jenny having a Jermid pod. So but ní Harlan chef Rio agus near Harlan chef Rio tam so gur meeting me mois a hannig edition or just where Gramide is dying a Hanaki can show because in Dar was Gramide having a day slash and shin near Hannick Swiss be much a genu o wadis shows Bia le could you gone well bimagin on nismo all so hortiv agus ag chat Swiss agus fast the bimage go folly just a canshite and tamer fad Chancellor have for life mar Jarnwood godí sin is féidir muid lads ar the man hosta ag na Seansaithe ar Instagram the Seansaithe ar Twitter the Seansaithe ar YouTube I see that ar good A&E galanta ar an feature YouTube no is féidir eáil ar Spotify mat the Spotify agad agus sílam go like to like leat ar go J be just a good Spotify ach dan na dingi a ta Gary a wogu agus á gláthú ní eici ma ésacu na bíon á gláirt tá sin go job. Bimage go pretty a goni so on Spotify agus ahannet. It's important, to Gary Jenny Kinch go scanning it fi shaw. Tish of arm like I'm crazy. But no, the fish an walked bring which a riv anning ella. We're trailblazers in Shaw, to be honest. But the Gary sorry. Tá flat tá chest vaccine mar sílam mar go ma party á Finnick and shocked Shaw. Whoopsie, damage Shaw. De wat gur Áine amsú na man hosta tá mar Áine weir. Whoopsie, look that's sinna dáis.
Whoopsie.
Fucking whoopsie.
Sinna rud a tarlíonn ar beintu nar dhéanana tú number
Whoopsie daisy.
Yeah, nar dhéanana tú number go partyal, nar sé was go Galway agus sin ddíor hiag the Isle of Man. Le haig le.
Yeah.
Tarlíonn
Tá ó an sin nachfuil. Whoopsie daisy, hurt you again. Crush your heart in the palm of my hand.
Let him cook, Áine. Not be Gary. Let him cook. Mixing. Mad tú Gary, Áine amsú man hosta, Áine weir ar Instagram, Áine weir ar Twitter, Áine weir ar TikTok. Mad Gary James amsú man hosta, Fláirteach ar Twitter, Fláirteach ar Instagram, agus Fláirteach ar TikTok. Agus mad Gary Mahena amsú mar Hugh Carr ar Twitter, Hugh Carr ar Instagram, agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Ein plug zella, nGaillimh mas val solar before we head off on our merry way.
NGaillimh.
NGaillimh heard. So, Sinead an Eagrán seo, Sinead don Ted. Rave hafaide Eagrán don na Seansalaithe tá Sraith sé. Be rású chatisiúing le Eagrán uair nua a go dtí sin bud sult as an seachtainí agus sibh an aine se thugaí. Slán.